Christmas. Everything's for you. Yay! Cookies and cinnamon.
Open as a whole. Open mask. The mask open as a whole.
See, look how happy I was. That's the Christmas spirit. I haven't felt that in years.
Yeah, looks like your mom.
Close the mask.
To make Christmas special.
She sure did.
Open the mask.
He can still talk then. I wonder what happened to him. I gotta go.
Lock the mask.
Hold it in! Hold it in! Hold it in!
Open the highlights.
Close it.
Close the mask.
You died before Game of Thrones.
Open the highlights.
People will like that.
Change the highlight.
Change the highlights.
No, this is the present. And I just want you to see that not everyone in Co-op
Open the mask.
Christmas spirit.
Christmas! What's this? Cold!
I want you to do it with the blue lights too.
Huh?
Do it with the blue light too.
Switch to battle mode. Close the mask. Switch to battle mode. Does it do anything on the outside?
The lights are just lit up as red.
Open mask. Open the mask. Close the mask. Dismiss the battle mode.
There you go.
Yeah. Open mask.
Well, I know one family.
So okay, that
Christmas.
to change the colors, I gotta say dismiss the battle mode, and then I gotta say switch to battle mode. That changes to red.
Close it.
Close the highlights. Open the highlights. Is that doing anything?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Close it and talk to Jarvis.
Jarvis. Close the mask. Go to battle mode.
What did she say? She wishes you a Merry Christmas.
Stop battle
That's
mode.
not what she said. Time for figgy pudding.
Seems like they're having a good time without you.
Oh, they're just pretending to have fun. I'm sure they miss me.
We should probably call Dirt.
You mean Dad?
Dismiss battle mode.
Mom.
You guys talking about Dad? War ship.